Opening note. This episode addresses the events of September 11, 2001. We approach this subject with the utmost respect and dignity. Like the attacks in Paris or other recent global tragedies, these moments are a somber part of our shared human history. Our goal is not to dwell on pain, but to provide the precise vocabulary and context necessary to discuss these events. History requires us to find the right words, even when they are difficult to speak.
By episode 28, Ground Zero, Memory and Resilience. Hello, and welcome back to Boost Your English. Today, we're focusing on a location in Lower Manhattan that represents both a deep national trauma and an incredible act of resilience, Ground Zero. We'll master the vocabulary related to emergency response, urban planning, and memory, strictly based on documented facts and the site's transformation. Let's examine what was there and what happened. The World Trade Center and the attacks. The site now known as Ground Zero was originally occupied by the World Trade Center, a complex of 7 buildings dominated by the 2 Twin Towers. Completed in the early 1970s, these towers were the epitome of global finance and American architectural ambition. On September 11, 2001, the site was the target of a devastating terrorist attack. The structural failure caused by the impact and the resulting fires led to the collapse of the Twin Towers. The immediate aftermath demanded extraordinary courage. The immediate survival of thousands was due to the rapid, selfless response of first responders, the firefighters, police officers, NYPD, and emergency medical personnel. They rushed in while thousands rushed out, tragically resulting in the loss of 343 firefighters and 72 law enforcement officers. The cleanup and health crisis. After the event, the area of the collapse was officially called Ground Zero. The subsequent work of clearing the massive pile of rubble or debris was an immense logistical effort that lasted for months. A silent, long-term consequence of the attack was the health crisis. The collapse created vast plumes of toxic dust and smoke, containing concrete, glass, and asbestos. The toxic fumes caused long-term respiratory illnesses and cancers in the surviving first responders and cleanup workers. The sheer volume of unprecedented exposure created a profound national public health crisis. Reconstruction and the final design. The reconstruction of the 16-acre site was a complex, emotionally charged process. The public debate over what the site should become was fierce, involving numerous competing architectural projects and debates over whether the focus should be on commerce or memory. The final design achieved a powerful balance. 1. The National September 11 Memorial and Museum. This area is the core of the memorial. Where the Twin Towers once stood, there are now 2 reflection pools that mark the exact footprints of the original towers. The names of every victim are inscribed around the edges. 2. One World Trade Center, Freedom Tower, the new anchor skyscraper. Standing at 1,776 feet, symbolizing the year of American independence, it is a symbol of defiance and resilience. 3. The Transportation Hub, the Oculus designed by Santiago Calatrava. This massive, futuristic structure serves as a hub for the PATH trains and the subway, symbolizing the city's return to commerce and daily life. The reaction of New Yorkers to the final result was complex. While there was pride in the new architecture and the resilience shown, many felt that the focus on commercial real estate and the long process were a painful reminder of the losses. Today, the site successfully functions as a central business district while remaining a solemn sanctuary of remembrance. We've covered essential, sensitive vocabulary today, from rubble and toxic fumes to resilience and reflection pools. Understanding Ground Zero is crucial to understanding the profound depth of modern American history. Keep boosting your English. Bye for now.